20 high-end small household appliances
It's not
that you have
easy
to buy
to use.
without
I
pay.
smashed the phone.
I liked it at first
This
sight.
lazy mixing cup.
It's very
You see,
delicate.
I usually stir it with
He
a spoon
can't solve
and
the
it
dumpling
all
when it's
dissolves.
done. And it can be cleaned
You don't need to
automatically.
wash it by hand
Stir a
at
coffee,
all.
cereal, milkshake, anything
Remove the
is
stir stick
okay.
and hide it in the
Ordinary
handle.
cups are also
Who
very
wants to use
high-grade.
a regular cup with it?
19th business trip.
Bring this hot water
That's
dispenser.
so convenient. Just put the lid on the top of the
The
mineral
temperature
water bottle
can be
and
adjusted
plug it
in
in
for
gears. If you drink a lot of water, you can
Little
also
one.
plug it into a large
The
bucket
power
of
cord
water.
is stored in the base.
18th place rice cooker
How
smaller than a
convenient
bowl.
is it?
1 cup for 1 and 2 is
Mark
just
the
water
right.
level. The key is that it can be used
This
as
way,
a bowl after
1
cooking.
less
bowl can be washed. You can also use it to make
No
porridge
need to
and
order
stew
takeout
noodles.
anymore. Eat barbecue and hot
I'll
pot at
never
home
get
in
the
the future.
smell of fumes all over the house
Let the
again.
all fume condense
and collect
quickly.
it in this all
The
cup at
filter
the bottom.
screen
can be removed.
Those
and
who often
cleaned
eat
regularly.
barbecue and hot pot at home
16th
can
place.
get a whole
Didn't
one.
you expect it? Not only can
It is
be
still a
folded,
3-layer design.
and
Each
it
layer
is
can be
very
used alone
convenient to
or
add
in
water to the
combination.
water tank. Adjust the time with
One
steam
click.
can be ejected.
It's very
Steam
efficient.
things are more
They
tender.
are all food-grade,
Just
high-temperature
wipe it after
resistant
use.
materials.
15th place.
This desk lamp is also
It
perfect
has
for the
plugs
bedside.
in all directions. The light has 3 colors and
One
can
button
be adjusted
switch.
freely. It is convenient for enterprises
enough
to
to
read
have them
books
at the bedside.
night.
It is said that mothers who
I
love
tried
to
it
cook
with mint
especially
garlic,
like it.
and the effect was
It
really
really
surprising.
saves
Time and effort. Dumplings are still
so
very delicate.
worry-free.
It's very
Endless
practical.
snacks.
Don't worry about getting
The
wet.
usage
is particularly simple. It's rechargeable.
It's
very convenient to suck it on the refrigerator
place.
when you run out. No need to
Large
add
water.
capacity of 1,000 ml. Easy to clean. The design of internal
The meals
and
are packed
external
separately
separation without flavor. There is no steam, so there
The
will be
taste
no
is
smell.
fresh
after heating. The key is that the appearance
No,
is also
11
online.
keep a shoe
The
dryer
wash
like this
shoes
at
can
home.
be dried in an
And
hour.
it doesn't turn yellow
It can
or
blow
stink.
hot air
If you
360
have 60
degrees.
degrees,
Use it to bake,
especially
and
on
it can
humid
also
and
sterilize
rainy days.
and deodorize. No need. It doesn't take up
Number
space
10
when
is
folded.
still using this
It
traditional nail
breaks when you
clipper.
touch it, and it works. Break it open. And it has a sharp edge.
It's okay to cut a wire.
There's
and
also
copper
a nail
wire.
measure on the back.
If you
that
don't
can be
need
polished,
it,
put it
directly.
away and hang it on
The
the
ninth
seat.
person who
Be sure
slept
to
at
try
night.
this large font
He
projection
can project
clock.
time on the wall.
You can see the time when you open
You
your
can
eyes
also
at
set
night. An alarm. No, eat a chilling dress like this
Before going out.
Otherwise, no matter how expensive
This graded
clothes
version
are,
shaves
they will
quickly
have no
and
greatly.
Trusty friends, create
7. This little thing, my
is
family
amazing.
depends on it for drinking water.
Install the hose directly.
You can use
and
an
put it in.
electric one-button
And
water
this
outlet.
kind of bottled
The
purified
key
water
is that you
no
can take it
problem.
back if you can't finish it. 6th place, throw away
Now
your
everyone in the city uses
Just
this
connect
artifact.
to the phone. Small and cute
You
appearance.
can use it on
You
any
can follow
wall.
dramas, watch
And
movies,
it doesn't
and play
play
games.
games.
smarter. Tech by our
Just
side.
throw it
Plug
away.
it
back and forth on the phone
It is
charging
easy
hole
to cut
every
the
time.
charging hole to break.
All mobile phones work.
Just put it on it, and
It's
it
also
can be
a phone
charged.
holder. The most important thing is that it
It's
also
not
has
great
a
to
function
follow
of
dramas and
amplification.
watch movies.
This is a
No
non-inflatable
need to
one.
refuel a
Will
full
light
double
it.
arc ignition. It's the
Fast
3 color
and
lights
fierce.
are very beautiful.
It can be used for several months
on a
on
full
body.
charge.
And the price is not Number
expensive.
3 is a little bit high-tech. It's an ink-free label printer. Just connect the phone through
It
Bluetooth.
can be easily edited.
With thermal labels directly attached to the
Not
surface of
only
the object.
proof
And waterproof. It can be used to mark and classify things at
Really
ordinary
convenient.
times. Invented such a nice mesh
The previous double-sided tape can't be
This
buckled down.
double-sided tape
And
has
there
a
are
design
still
of mesh
traces
fibers
left.
inside. Tear it off and it won't
Like
leave
a
an
poster
offset
at home.
print. Particularly practical.
The first place
are the current dryers
Open
in
in
a
a
second. It's not a problem to bake family
that
clothes.
simple to zip up the
360-degree
operation.
cycle drying.
The clothes are fluffy
When
and
not
soft.
in use. If you like it, take one home.